Hi kids. Welcome to this episode of Mr. Cox's Garage. In this episode, we're going to help little Blue here fall asleep. She doesn't like to sleep. She's kind of a night owl. But I got to go to bed. So I'm going to help her fall asleep by reading her The Cat's Pajamas by Catherine Foreman. Maybe she's related to someone. I know a Foreman. This is the cat. And these are his pajamas. He's got a lot of pajamas, look. There's a lot of pajamas. On Monday, the cat wears space pajamas. And he dreams a dream of lunar trips, rocket ships, Saturn, Mars, and shooting stars. What a dream of space delight for the cat in the night. On Tuesday, the cat wears ocean pajamas. And dreams a dream of humpback whales, swishy tails, sea turtles, eels, and flippery seals. What a dream of ocean delight for the cat in the night. Oh, on Wednesday, the cat wears garden pajamas. And dreams a dream of leafy trees, fat bumblebees, frogs on rocks, and dandelion clocks. What a dream of garden delight for the cat in the night. On Thursday, the cat wears road pajamas. Here's his road pajamas. Are you on there? Oh my gosh, there's no motorcycle. There's no motorcycle. Oh, he dreams a dream of a big red rig. Diggers that dig. A tractor, a trike, and a fast motorbike. Ah, there is one. Okay, thank goodness. What a dream of road delight for the cat in the night. On Friday, the cat wears jungle pajamas. Let's see his jungle pajamas. I think you guessed it. And he dreams a dream of chimpanzees, rubber trees, toucans, moths, and sleeping sloths. If you can read it with me. What a dream of jungle delight for the cat in the night. Oh, on Saturday, the cat wears sky pajamas. And dreams a dream of a crescent moon, a hot air balloon, kites soaring, and planes roaring. What a dream of sky to light for the cat in the night. On Sunday, the cat wears monster pajamas. And stays awake all through the night. This is my favorite. Then falls asleep at breakfast.